method. Okay then, so after giving you a question on our previous video, here is the solution. What you do is very simple. You just make sure that you factor out. You just say let a is equals to 1 over x. And let us let b equals to 1 over y. Because we can see that both the denominators are x and the denominators are y. If that is the case, it will be very simple for you to handle. For example, in this case, 2 times 1 over x. Isn't it similar? 2 will go there, minus 3 times 1 over y is equals to minus 3. Are we good? I think we get the concept now. So here it's 1 over x plus 6 times 1 over y is equals to 1. So as you can see, it's just the same. What you need is to come up with a concept of letting a be equals to this and letting b equals to this, so that it will be easy for you to calculate. So since this one is now a, it means we are having 2a minus 3b is equals to minus 3. Same goes a plus 6b is equals to 1. Then now we can solve by elimination method. This is our equation. So our coefficient and variable, they are not similar. Okay, so what we do now, here we're going to multiply by 1, here I'm going to multiply by 2, which gives me nothing but 2a minus 3b is equals to minus 3. Here I get 2a plus 12b is equals to 2. If that is the case, then I get to apply elimination method. Subtract here, I get 0. Minus 3b minus 12, I get minus 15b. Then minus 3 minus 2, I get minus 5. So here, minus 15 divided by minus 15. I cancel both sides. Here, I cancel both sides and I simplify 3. So b is 1 over 3. Of course. Now, if b is 1 over 3, I have to do elimination again for the other side. So if I'm doing elimination again for the other side, these are the variables that I'm having. 2a minus 3b equals to minus 3. And also a plus 6b is equals to 1. Okay? If that is the case, I want to make sure that the variables of b, they look similar so that I can find the value of a, as you can see. So here, I'm going to multiply by 2. Here, I'm going to multiply by 1. So I get nothing but 4a minus 6b is equals to, this is 3, okay, this is 3, so I get minus 6. Same goes here, a plus 6b is equals to 1. Here, what we do, to eliminate this b, we have to add here. So 4a plus a, we get 5a. 6 minus 6b plus 6b, we get a 0, which is equals to minus 6 plus 1, we get a minus 5. So here is nothing but a minus 5 all over 5 all over 5. Cancel this and this. A is nothing but minus 1. So as you can see now, we're having the value of b, which is 1 over 3, and a equals to minus 1. So if you are to go back here, where we say a is equals to 1 over 3, we said a is equals to 1 over y. We said a is equals to 1 over x. And b is equals to 1 over y. So now what we need to do is just substituting. Minus 1 is equals to 1 over x. And the 1 over 3 is equals to 1 over y. Cross multiply by y. Cross multiply by y. Here we get y over 3 is equals to 1. We multiply by 3. We multiply by 3. Cancel here. Y is nothing but 3 here. Same goes here, we multiply both sides by x minus x here is equals to, here we cancel, is equals to 1. If that is the case, divided by the negative 1, x is equals to minus 1. Therefore, if that is the case, the entire equation y is equals to 3 and x is equals to minus 1. So that's how you solve for fractions. That's how you solve for fractions. When you get fractions which are confusing, especially when the quantities are on the denominator. When the quantities are on the denominator, find a way, apply all the equation concept that you know. Like what I did, I let x be equal to, I let a be equals to this, and I let b be equals to this. Anyway, it sounds fair if I give you yours to do, which is the similar method, elimination method. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.